Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about the iPhone, and I would like to show you the way how you can activate the voice assistant or Siri on your iPhone. You just need to open the settings, and now you just need to scrolling down until you find Siri and Search over here, and then you just need to go click them. The next thing you need to do on the top side, there will be like a Ask Siri, and then you just need to go click Listen for Siri. If here is off, now you just need to open it, and you just need to pick either you want to do Siri or Hey Siri, or you can only do the Hey Siri to activate the Siri. I would like to do this both. And then you just need to continue and follow all of the instructions that's shown into your screen. And your Siri is already activated. Now you just need to say Siri or Hey Siri, and then the Siri will respond to you. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this video a lot. Let's meet again into other tutorial.